Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at NordFX, a global online broker that's been serving traders since 2008. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. NordFX is an established international Forex and CFD broker that's been operating since 2008, serving traders across nearly 190 countries. Over the years, it has opened more than 1.7 million client accounts and earned over 60 industry awards, highlighting its long-standing presence in the market. The broker offers access to a wide range of trading instruments and is known for its straightforward account options, competitive spreads, and support for the popular MetaTrader platforms. NordFX positions itself as a versatile choice for both beginner and experienced traders looking for a reliable and globally recognized trading partner. The broker offers a diverse suite of trading instruments across multiple asset classes. On its platform, traders can access Forex, including over 30 major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. In the commodities space, the broker provides precious metals like gold and silver, as well as energy products such as crude oil and natural gas. For those interested in broader market exposure, NordFX supports stock index CFDs and individual stock CFDs for well-known companies. They also offer cryptocurrency trading, including major pairs. Across these instruments, NordFX features high leverage and flexible execution models, catering to both short-term traders and long-term investors. NordFX operates through several registered entities and is regulated in multiple international jurisdictions, including oversight from financial authorities in Seychelles and Mauritius. These bodies include the Financial Services Authority and the Financial Services Commission. This regulatory framework helps ensure the broker follows important standards for fairness, transparency, and client protection. To enhance security, the broker keeps client funds in segregated accounts, separating them from the company's operational money, and uses industry-standard encryption to protect data and transactions. NordFX combines multi-region regulation with solid security practices to provide traders with a safer and more reliable trading environment. NordFX offers several attractive bonuses and promotional programs for its clients. One of its signature promotions is the margin call bonus, which acts like insurance. Basically, if your account hits a margin call, NordFX may credit additional non-withdrawable funds based on your trading volume. There's also a refer a friend bonus, where you can get 10% of a friend's deposit once they open an account and fund it. For deposit incentives, the broker runs, or in the past has run, promotions such as a 55% deposit bonus, which boosts your trading capital when you add funds. Additionally, in certain regions, there are special first deposit bonuses paired with a giveaway of products. If you deposit or trade a specific volume and place a trade on AAPL, you can win items like iPhones or MacBooks. NordFX provides a variety of promotions, from deposit boosts to referral rewards and risk mitigating bonuses, to both active trading and client referral incentives. NordFX provides traders with access to the highly popular MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, both known for their stability, speed, and wide range of trading tools. MetaTrader 4 delivers a user-friendly interface, strong charting capabilities, customizable indicators, and full support for automated trading through expert advisors, making it a trusted choice for traders of all levels. MetaTrader 5 builds on this with more advanced features, including additional timeframes, improved analytical tools, more order types, and a built-in economic calendar for deeper market insight. Both platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile, ensuring that NordFX clients can monitor markets, execute trades, and manage their strategies seamlessly from any device. The broker provides 4 main live trading accounts designed to cater to different trading needs and experience levels. On MetaTrader 4, traders can choose between the MT4 Pro and MT4 Zero accounts, while MetaTrader 5 users have the MT5 Pro and MT5 Zero account. The Pro accounts offer floating spreads with no commission, making them a simple and cost-effective choice for beginners and intermediate traders. The Zero accounts feature ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips with a small commission per trade, offering more precise pricing and access to interbank liquidity, ideal for professional traders or those using scalping and high-frequency strategies. Each account type comes with flexible minimum deposit requirements, leverage options, and the ability to trade a wide range of instruments, allowing traders to select a setup that best fits their trading style and risk tolerance. Additionally, the broker offers social trading, which is a simple and intuitive way to earn and invest. Experienced traders, or known as signal providers, can sell their trading signals, while less experienced traders or subscribers can automatically copy those trades into their own accounts. Subscribers don't need deep market knowledge. You just pick a provider, set your preference, and your account mirrors their trades. You only pay the provider a share of your profits from around 10%, and if you don't make any money, they don't get paid. With NordFX's system, copied trades run even if your MetaTrader terminal or computer is offline, and you can stop or adjust copying anytime. NordFX signal providers benefit too. They get detailed performance stats across over 50 parameters, choose their own subscription price, and can use their regular trading accounts, including expert advisors and scalping. The broker also offers a PAM, or Percentage Allocation Management module service, which allows you to invest in Forex by entrusting your funds to experienced traders. These managing traders run their own trading accounts, and you, as an investor, can allocate capital to them. Profits from their trades are split based on the terms they set, making this a way to generate passive income without trading yourself. For managers, it's an opportunity to grow their trading capital and earn a performance-based share of the profits. Investors benefit from detailed performance statistics, giving them transparency into risk and returns. The service supports a broad range of assets, including 33 currency pairs, metals, cryptocurrencies, indices, and oil, and trades happen on the MetaTrader 4 platform. NordFX's PAM option is a strong choice for both hands-off investors and skilled traders looking to scale their capital. Additionally, the broker offers Islamic or swap-free accounts designed specifically for traders who need Sharia-compliant trading. These accounts eliminate overnight interest or swaps on held positions, which aligns with Islamic finance principles. However, while swap fees are waived, there might be storage fees for holding certain instruments. The broker also offers a free, no-risk demo account that mirrors real market conditions, allowing traders to practice using MetaTrader 4 or 5 without risking any real money. The demo account comes preloaded with virtual funds, plus live market quotes, charting tools, and execution conditions comparable to real trading. You can set up your demo account quickly through the NordFX website or directly in the MetaTrader 4 or 5 terminal. There's no need to provide verification information. And while the account doesn't expire, inactive demo accounts may be deleted after 14 days. The demo account is ideal for beginners building confidence or for more experienced traders testing new strategies before moving to a live account. Creating an account with NordFX is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open an Account button. Fill out your personal information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and create a password for your account. After your account has been created, you will be redirected to the NordFX client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view social trading, contact customer support, and much more. The next step is to create either a live or demo trading account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to complete your account application and submit your personal credentials in order to create a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have opened your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with NordFX. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard is your trading chart. And at the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on NordFX's educational section to help you with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. NordFX supports a wide and flexible range of funding options to accommodate traders from around the world. For deposits, you can use online bank transfers, Visa or MasterCards, a number of e-wallets like Scroll, Neteller, Perfect Money, and various regional payment systems. You can also fund your account using cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several stablecoins. When it comes to withdrawals, NordFX offers the same variety: online bank transfers, e-wallets, mobile payments in some regions, and cryptocurrencies. Processing times depend on the method. For example, bank transfers may take a few business days, while e-wallets and crypto can be much faster. In terms of fees, many funding channels are free or have minimal costs, depending on the payment system. NordFX also requires full account verification before withdrawals and employs encryption and secure procedures to protect your financial data. NordFX's Education Center offers a comprehensive suite of resources designed to support traders of all experience levels, from beginners to advanced professionals. It includes a glossary of trading terms, step-by-step tutorials, and detailed articles, covering essential topics such as Forex basics, technical and fundamental analysis, trading strategies, and risk management. The platform also provides practical guides on using MetaTrader 4 and 5, choosing the right account type, and understanding trading instruments like Forex, CFDs, and cryptocurrencies. With these resources, the broker aims to help traders improve their knowledge, develop effective strategies, and build confidence before moving to live trading. The broker offers a comprehensive news and analysis section as well, designed to keep traders informed and help them make better trading decisions. The platform provides daily market forecasts for Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities, along with expert commentary and technical analysis from experienced market analysts. Traders can access trading signals, trend updates, and economic event calendars to anticipate market movements and plan their strategies. In addition, NordFX's company news section shares updates on promotions, product launches, and important announcements that may affect clients. With these resources, both beginners and experienced traders can stay up to date on market developments and gain valuable insights to improve their trading performance. Over the years of operation, NordFX has earned a strong reputation in the industry, backed by a wide range of prestigious awards from well-known financial and trading communities. Most recently, it was named the best Forex broker in Asia in 2025 by FX Daily Info. It also won the best crypto trading support in 2025 at the All Forex Rating Awards. In addition, it received the best Forex trading platform in 2025 award from Forex Bonus Info, highlighting its strong technology infrastructure. At the Forex Expo in Dubai in 2025, NordFX was recognized for its fastest payout, stressing its commitment to efficient and reliable fund withdrawals. It's also been honored for transparency and service quality, having won the most transparent broker and the best CFD broker from Forex Awards. Finally, on a broader business model, NordFX received the Business Excellence Award from the World Confederation of Businesses, a testament to its operational leadership and innovation. Overall, NordFX stands out as a seasoned and globally recognized broker with nearly 2 decades of experience in the financial markets. Since its founding in 2008, it has built a large and diverse client base, spanning nearly 190 countries, and earned more than 80 professional awards, underscoring its reputation for quality and trust. The broker delivers a comprehensive suite of trading services, access to Forex, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, indices, stocks, and more, with 2 powerful platforms, MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as account types tailored to different trading styles, whether you're looking for ultra-tight spreads or a commission-free model. NordFX also supports advanced investor and social tools such as PAM accounts for passive investors and a copy trading or social trading system for those who want to follow experts. Plus, it provides swap-free account options for those who require Sharia-compliant trading. On the operational side, the broker emphasizes security and trust, strong client fund protection, verification policies, and a transparent know-your-customer process. Its transactional infrastructure for deposits and withdrawals is solid and flexible, backed by robust processes to prevent fraud and ensure smooth fund flow. In addition, NordFX supports traders with a growing educational library, regular market news and analysis, as well as 24/5 customer support, all of which make it a broker that doesn't just facilitate trading, but helps clients learn and grow. Finally, its award-winning track record, including recognition as the most trusted Forex broker and best crypto broker in Southeast Asia, reinforces that this is a broker that continues to deliver value globally. The broker offers a mature, well-rounded and reliable environment for both new and experienced traders, and is particularly suited for those who want a broker with global reach, strong platform options, and a broad set of tools for investing and social trading, all underpinned by a credible and established brand. And that is our overview of NordFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.